I'm the letter W. Let's hear my story.
Wally went to the garden and saw a big watermelon on the grass. He spun the wheel of his toy car and laughed. Then he looked at his watch to see the time.
That was so much fun. I hope you liked my story. Bye-bye, everyone. See you next time. Hello, everyone. I'm the letter V. Let's hear my story.
Sabir rode in a small van to the market. There, he bought fresh vegetables for his family. When he came home, he saw his mother had placed flowers in a colourful vase. Sabir smiled and played a sweet tune on his violin.
That was so much fun. I hope you liked my story. Bye-bye, everyone. See you next time.